everyone, and welcome back to the channel. But today, I want to bust that myth and show you how travel can be way more accessible than you think. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on how to fund your dream vacation without breaking the bank. So let's talk about the biggest hurdle for most people, the upfront cost. Seeing a price tag of several $1,000s can be intimidating. I get it. But what if I told you that you don't have to pay it all at once? The travel industry has changed so much, and many fantastic travel companies now offer flexible payment plans. This is a total game changer. You can secure your trip with a relatively small deposit, sometimes just a few $100s per person, and then pay off the rest in manageable installments over several months. Think of it like a savings plan, but with an amazing vacation at the end of it. This leads me to my next point, the power of planning ahead. When you book your trip well in advance, not only do you get access to these payment plans, but you also give yourself time to save for all the other fun stuff. We're talking airfare, those amazing tours you want to take, and even your spending money. By spreading the cost over time, you can strategically budget for each component of your trip. Maybe 1 month you focus on putting money aside for your flights, and the next you start a fund for your excursions. This approach turns a seemingly massive expense into a series of smaller, more achievable financial goals. It removes the stress and replaces it with excitement and anticipation. And here's another pro tip for planning ahead: package deals. This isn't just about convenience, it's about value. For example, if you're flying out early in the morning or arriving back late at night, we can find deals that include a pre- or post-trip hotel stay right near the airport. This little addition can make your travel days so much smoother and less stressful. And when it's part of a package, you often save money compared to booking it separately. Whether you're planning that magical family trip to Disney or a romantic European adventure, a well-structured itinerary is key. We can build a trip that not only hits all your must-see spots, but also fits comfortably within the budget you've set. It's all about making smart choices from the very beginning. Now let's switch gears to something that's incredibly important but often overlooked: protecting your investment. You've planned, you've saved, you've paid for your trip. But what happens if something unexpected comes up? This is where travel insurance becomes your best friend. I know, insurance isn't the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's one of the most crucial parts of travel planning. Many people assume the basic insurance offered by a travel company is enough, but it's vital to read the fine print. Often, that trip insurance might only cover the specific portion of the trip you booked with them. What you really want to look for is comprehensive trip insurance. This type of policy is designed to protect your entire investment. That means if you have to cancel for a covered reason, you can get reimbursed for your flights, your accommodations, your tours, everything. Life happens. People get sick, family emergencies occur, or work commitments change unexpectedly. Comprehensive insurance provides a safety net that protects the money you've worked so hard to save. It's the difference between losing thousands of dollars and getting a do-over for your vacation. So please, when you're booking a trip, take a moment to consider how you're protecting that investment. It's a small price to pay for significant peace of mind. Because there's another critical component we need to discuss: health insurance. Health insurance. This is especially important when you're traveling abroad. Unfortunately, that's rarely the case. Most domestic health insurance plans offer very limited, if any, coverage outside of your home country. A simple visit to a clinic could cost hundreds of dollars. Imagine being in a foreign country, dealing with a medical issue, and on top of that, worrying about how you're going to pay for it. A good travel insurance policy will include emergency medical coverage. This covers you for doctor's visits, hospital stays, and sometimes even medical evacuation if you need to be transported to a better-equipped facility or even back home. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Your health and well-being are priceless. As a travel advisor, a huge part of my job is to educate my clients. I want you to have the most amazing, seamless, and joyful travel experiences possible. And a big part of that is making sure you're protected. It's not about scaring you or focusing on the negatives. We can't predict the future, and we certainly can't prevent every little thing from going wrong. Having the right insurance coverage means you can relax and truly immerse yourself in your travels, knowing that you have a support system if you need it. So to wrap it all up, traveling is not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone with a dream and a good plan. and bundling services into value-packed packages. That dream trip is well within your reach. And by making the smart, responsible choice to protect your investment and your health with comprehensive travel insurance, you're not just buying a policy. You're buying confidence. You're giving yourself the freedom to explore the world without worry. If you're thinking about planning a trip, I really encourage you to reach out to a travel advisor. We can walk you through all of these options, help you understand the fine print, and build a trip that is both incredible and secure. Help you understand the fine print and build a trip that is both incredible and secure. We're here to be your advocate and your guide every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has been helpful and has shown you that your travel dreams are more attainable than you thought. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and advice. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're dreaming of going next. See you in the next video.